Okay, so let me fix my screens. Uh, Not really using crystal right now, so let me get rid of this. Uh, Let me keep cursor. Let me keep. Uh, I'm not really studying Japanese, so don't. Let's get rid of this. Let's keep warp. Let's put it all the way on the right. Uh, I don't need this right now. Proton. Let's have. Uh, so let's have Comet because I have to see my usage. So I only really have 20% for the next 2 hours. So let's see. Okay, let's. What can we do? How do we? So what did we write here? So let's remove the icon on the left and give me recommendations. So why didn't this why why didn't this fire? Do we have any tasks that we could run? No. Should we remove anything? So things aren't a little confusing. Yeah, let's start removing some things. Full size animation preview. Okay, let's remove some things. Let's go to let's go. What file do we need? Let's go to specs. Um okay, let's go here and then so start clerk off we still need. So the create habits screen, the success animation is probably good. But let's do some ones that we already. So edit the edit screen. Okay, so this is done. So let's get rid of this. Delete habit card screen. What? Okay, this is empty. Habit detail screen. UX polish improvements. Okay, this says completed. What is this? Habit detail. Okay, so this is probably done. So all of these are done. So let's click this, click this, click this, click this, get rid of this. Okay. Um, Manual review. I don't think I need to do that. I don't have to have that. So let's see. Full sign. Okay, so I get rid of this. 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 Settings page. Uh, let's get rid of all that. Okay. So the only thing I have is story habit add story success animation. Mm, so let's remove the color picker. Remove color picker phase 2. Let's see. Okay, so let's commit this. My cursor's kind of slow right now. My computer is kind of slow right now in general. Let's see. Okay, so let me refresh. That's kind of the main. Okay, or let me refresh the files at least. Refresh. Okay. Let's see. Specs. Uh, Clerk off. Okay. Color picker. Let me delete that. Eh, What is this? Okay, so these two I could delete. One, two. Okay, let's delete that. Let's refresh. Maybe I have to refresh the files. Okay, so spec settings page. Uh, okay, I don't know why it's taking so long to kind of get rid of these, but uh, okay. So if there's no files in them, it doesn't create the folder. That's good. Okay, story design. Okay, so let's work on. Let's go to habit home. Okay. Why is this taking so long to queue? Uh, okay, let's just add habit. Let's do this one. Wait, habit home. Okay, no, habit add. Let's go to habit add. Uh, Habit add. Why hasn't this fired? Let's see. Maybe. Yeah. So maybe I could copy this. Yeah, let's copy this. Let's delete it. Okay, so, and then let's try to refire this. Okay, so, and we are going to go to habit details. No, not create a new one. How do I do this? Is it this? Yeah. And then let's go to star, habit home. Okay. And then how do I focus on the page? Focus. View agent session. View agent session. Claude. Jump to Claude. Edit agent. Mm, Jump to Claude. What does that mean? Uh, so, okay. So this is recommendations. Uh, Let me fire a request here. Habit home. So, uh, create a mock and then open that mock so I could see your suggestions. Oh no. Create a mock and open that mock so I could see your suggestions. Okay, so habit add. Uh, Move. Okay, remove just input field, no icon. Cleanest, but visual preview. Put the icon in the keyboard. Chubao. Tap in it opens emoji picker. Um, let's see. Oh no, I saw this mock already. Gesture base. On the home screen, keep the visual view again. So what's option 4? Um, oh, I don't like option 4. Uh, uh, so let's create a mock for all the choices so I could see and then open that mock. Let's create a mock for all the choices and then open that mock so I could see them. Okay, and then what was the other page? Habit add? No, habit home. Hmm. So let's actually, can you just review the page, the UI UX for this page, and then see any other suggestions I could do? So anything about the habit card, anything about typography, anything micro animations, micro transitions, anything that you think that we can improve, maybe consistency, design consistency. Uh, did I not? Oh, okay. That was not what okay. So look at the whole habit homepage and then see anything that we could improve. Let's check if the page is, if the whole application, especially the habit home, is consistent, if the design is consistent. And then let's just see any improvements that we could do. Um, yes. Enhancing. Oh, okay, so let's go back to. Let's create a mock. Okay. I don't know. Inside. Let's see. Uh, Toolbar large. Uh, Prefix. Let me see what other things do. habit. But if I'm gonna create a new habit, what is this? Okay, let me see this. So I click add habit, click start read. Okay, let's go with the prefix approach, and then we can implement this right now. Let's go with the prefix approach, and then we can implement this right now. And then habit home. So habit home is thinking, okay, so I don't have any specs or anything that I could run right now. What is this? Cancel. So I only have 15% and I only have 30 more percent for the week. Let me think. What else can I improve? Or what else should I improve? Okay, yeah. Let's look at the empty habit page. And then see what we could do here. Higher retentions, users who. How do I do this again? No. Oh, that's not what I wanted. So what was it? It was this. Mm, this. No. Mm, this, this, this. So templates. Let me put this closer. So based on the empty habit screen, the change that will have highest monetary ROI is elevate import temp habits template. Okay. Why this drives retention. Templates equals premium funnel. Science habit packs are natural premium feature. It will use our prime to pay for curated content. Higher retention. That's kind of true. So what can I do here? Pulsing tab indicators above the quick start. Okay, so I think what I could do. Okay. Okay, so that's the correct path, but I still want a way to have quick one press start habits. But what we could do is we could have the import habits page as a primary CTA, but I also want to have quick start habits. So let's try to see what design that we could do for that. Yeah, señora. create a mock and then open that mock so I can see the changes. Click. What was I doing? Okay, so this is or pick primary popular. On, or, okay, so habit home, maybe color mismatch. Oh wait, this is what they this is where is this uh reopen mock. What? Oh wait. I don't have a clue. Wait, what? So let's see. What is inconsistent? Sort position. The sort is in the header row, far from the header list, creates cognitive dissonance. When we sort to the section header directly above it, or integrate it into momentum meter. Okay, that makes sense. Color palette. Wait. Standardize on some strength bar inconsistent. Setting is a still when instead of zooming case positive. Quick win. Okay, so let's create a spec file and task for all of this. Mm, where is this mock again? Mm, open mock again. Don't have a quiz. Habit. Hard. From too long. Oh, okay, this didn't work. So let me retry. What? What is the difference between a spec file and a task file? Let's go with free tracks. Okay, so mm, preserve session. Let's see if that works. Mm, mm, hmm. How do I habit add? Mm, let's just try again, see if it works. Mm, damn it. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Okay, so spec file home redesign. Spec file create redesign. Okay. What is the difference? Yeah, just make this one file. go through what this is. Let's preview this. I can't preview it. What is this? Image design, consistency spec. Remove sort into. Okay, that's not what I want. Remove sort. Okay. So let's remove the sort issues. So let's delete them right now. I haven't decided what I wanted to do with that. Wire ups for props. Okay. So why don't I have music? Mm, Keep thinking about what we can do. Yes. Did I to improve habit page? And then let's also have one. How to keep whole app consistent. Okay. Okay. Mm. No. Let's stop this one. And then let's do UX. UX expert. How to keep whole app design consistent. Both animation and color, typography, everything. Oh, erase. Okay, that's all we have here. So I have to kind of think, habit add on to copy session, context window. Why doesn't this work? Mm. Have it home. Sorry, content. Okay. Uh, let's see. Homepage design consistency. Uh, let's commit.